Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all will be fine. Guys, myself Jiten Singh Jeetu sir, your English teacher. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 2, Lost Spring. It is the story that are taken from Stolen Childhood. First of all, we will know about the author. The author of this chapter is Anis Jung. He was born in 1964, was born in Rourkela and spent her childhood. Sorry, she is a girl. Anis Jung. She was born in Rourkela and spent her childhood and adolescence in Hyderabad. She received her education in Hyderabad and in the United States of America. Her parents both were writers. Anis Jung Begum began her career as a writer in India. She has been an editor and columnist for major newspapers in India and abroad, and has authored several books. The following is an excerpt from her book titled Lost Spring: Stories of Stolen Childhood. Here she analyzes the grinding poverty and tradition which condemn these children to a life of exploitation. So guys, here it is being told that about the author. She was born in Rourkela. Her childhood was spent in adolescence were spent in Hyderabad. She got her education in Hyderabad and USA. Her parents were also the writers. She started her writing career in India. She also had been editor and columnist in many of the newspapers of India and also in foreign countries. She also had wrote many books. The given chapter is also a part of the book written by her. Its title is Lost Spring: Stories of Stolen Childhood. Here she analyzes that how the poverty does not let these children do something in bravery. So now let's come on the point. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Why do you do this? I ask Sahib, whom I encounter every morning scrounging for gold in the garbage dumps of my neighborhood. Here the writer is telling us that she daily encounters a boy whose name was Sahib. He always were busy in search of some gold in the dumps of garbage. Sahib left his home long ago, sat amidst the green fields of Dhaka. His home is not even a distant memory. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. His mother tells him that is why they left, looking for gold in the big city where he now lives. So the writer is telling here that Sahib, the boy, has left him. His main country was Dhaka, but now they have left their home because of the storms that came in that area and destroyed all their fields and other property. So now they lived in some other nearby cities, and there they search in the garbage for gold or some money. I have nothing else to do, he mutters, looking away. It means when the writer asked Sahib that why does he do this, why does he search garbage, then he replied that he had no other work to do. That is why he searches in the garbage. So the writer said, go to college? I say glibly, realizing immediately how hollow the advice must sound. She was ready to get the answer that how will the boy answer my question. Then the boy answered, there is no school in my neighborhood. When they bold on, I will go. He said that in his neighborhood there was no school, and if some school is bold, he would surely go to school. If I started if I start a school, will you come? I asked half jokingly. At this answer the writer asked the boy Sahib that if she start a school, then the boy will go to or will join the school. Then the boy replied, yes. She is smiling broadly. He said smilingly, yes, I'll go. A few days later, I see him running up to me. Is your school ready? After some time, or we can say after a few days, the boy Sahib came running to the writer and asked her if she had get her school ready. It takes longer to build a school, I say, embarrassed at having made a promise that was not meant. But promise like mine abound in every corner of his bleak world. Here in these lines, the writer says that she made a promise to the boy to got a school built, but she didn't complete her promise. That's why she thought that she should not make such type of promises that she cannot get fulfilled. So okay guys, it was the explain till now. In the next video we will discuss. Thank you.